But international law does not work like a maze where you can find clever little shortcuts to suit yourself. It works like a gate. If you don't have authority, you will not pass. That is why Somalia's language lands so hard. Calling this an invasion, it's not about escalation. It's literally the classification of what Israel are talking about here by recognizing Somaliland. It freezes the frame earlier. It forces every subsequent act to be judged against that claim. It puts the burden on Israel to demonstrate legality rather than on Somalia to prove harm. And here's the problem for Israel. There's nothing it can do next that does not make Somalia's case stronger. Somalia has gone straight to the institutional choke points because delay will only give Israel room to reframe this as a misunderstanding rather than a violation. They're off to the UN Security Council with this. By naming the act as invasion at the outset of that, it fixes the interpretive frame. From that point on, every Israeli denial sounds procedural rather than substantive. The question is no longer what Israel intended, it's what Israel can lawfully do next. And that list is empty. This is where Israel's past experience becomes a liability rather than an asset. In Palestine, Israel has been able to blur time, to turn violations into processes, to bury outcomes under negotiations that never arrive. That method depends on there being multiple competing legal narratives. But Somaliland offers only one. Either Somalia is sovereign over the territory or it is not. Either consent exists or it does not. Very black and white. So you can see the consequences already, can't you?